Artificial intelligence promotes automatic decision-making and improves efficiency. It also brings challenges such as data abuse, privacy risks, lack of black box algorithms transparency, and algorithmic bias. In November 2018, MAS proposed the concept of FEAT principles: fairness, ethics, accountability, and transparency, aiming to assist firms in contextualizing and operationalizing governance of the use of artificial intelligence in their own business models and structures to promote public confidence in the use of AI. In January 2021, MAS announced the successful conclusion of the first phase of the Veritas initiative, which saw the development of the fairness assessment methodology in credit risk scoring and customer marketing. Subsequently, MAS launched the development project of Veritas Phase 1 Toolkit. BOC Innovation Lab Singapore and BOC Fintech, cooperating with Accenture, took the initiative to undertake the development of assessment tool, the key component of the toolkit. The development of the Veritas Phase 1 Toolkit is based on the fairness methodology. The system guides the users to evaluate the fairness in the form of questionnaire level by level and check whether the prediction results of the model are biased or discriminated against a certain group. The toolkit is composed of two parts: diagnosis tool and assessment tool. Data scientists will use diagnosis tool to do the data processing, model building, and metrics computation, etc. The result is saved in a JSON file. Then business owners will use assessment tool to parse the JSON file to generate the insights and answer the rest questions. The first step is to determine system objective. In taking credit scoring as an example, it is to select customers with sufficient low risk of default for loan approval. Secondly, the system will analyze if there exists bias in the model that will affect the fairness. Suppose gender is the protected feature. The system will look at the feature distribution to check if there exists considerable imbalance between the number of male and female applicants. Next, the system will analyze the fairness of the features and visualize the trade-off between model performance and fairness. The purpose of Part D is to measure the feature importance of personal attributes to justify the use of the attributes and determine if they should be included in the training process. The final part is to monitor the system to check if the model is still applicable as time goes by. At the end, the tool will generate a fairness assessment report to provide the owner with a comprehensive reference of model fairness. Fairness in machine learning is a part of the broader concept of trustworthy artificial intelligence. As a wholly owned subsidiary of Bank of China, BOC Fintech is also conducting related research on model interpretability and exploring the application of interpretable algorithms in the anti-money laundering scenario. Meanwhile, Bank of China will actively participate in international exchanges and cooperation, work with regulators, peers, fintech companies, and other partners to develop AI governance models and build a trustworthy artificial intelligence ecosystem.